Welcome back, my fellow DGen, to another NFP trading video. I felt like it was only right to do one today. We love trading NFP over here, so what have I done? Put £20 in account, and we're going to see if we can trade it, make some profit. That is essentially the goal of... So I'm just waiting for it to come out now. We've got 3 minutes to go before it comes out, and well, yeah, this is going to be a fun experience, hopefully, or not. You know, this is for your viewing pleasure, me winning or losing, trading NFP. So let's see what happens, man. This is exciting stuff. In terms of direction, it really could go anywhere. I probably am leaning more towards it buying initially and then selling off, but we'll have to see. Don't want to risk too much, so I've just got it at 0.07 right now on GU, but obviously that can change depending on you know, what price wants to do. It might not move much. We'll just have to see, but we got 1 minute 30. The way I trade this, and I've spoken about this loads of times, I just wait for price to move in one direction, and then I just trade the opposite direction that it opens in. Essentially, it's nothing too crazy, the strategy for NFP. It normally works. If you watch the last trading video that we did for NFP, we made money. I think we made like £20 or something. I might be wrong, but it was something like that. So hopefully we can see that again today. So we're gonna basically see what happens now. We've got less than a minute to go. Let's see, it's coming out in 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and let's see. So we're gonna get a sell potentially here. Does it come low enough though? That is the question. We need it to come a lot lower than that to get some sort of position here. But obviously it is Good Friday, so there is less momentum. I was looking for it to sell much lower than this, but there doesn't seem to be too much volume for this NFP. I mean, the candle itself has only moved like not even 30 pips right now. I've seen London session do more, so we're just waiting to see if we're gonna get anything here. Yeah, not seeing anything really on GU in terms of opportunity here. It's been a really boring candle for NFP, really. So I'd say it needs to get to, say, that area there. So what's that? 31756. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, so it's come out far better than they expected. So GU should be selling a lot harder. Bearing in mind the expected was 65k and it's come out at 178k. So I would expect to see GU drop a lot more than this, because obviously that's good for dollar. But as I said, we will try and save the video, see if we look at UJ. I mean, it looks like a lot, but I guarantee if I look at the actual pip amount, it was probably not that much. Yeah, 20, so only a 25 odd pip NFP candle for most pairs, so not really too crazy of an NFP actually. All right, we've gone for a little UJ sell here, just to see if we can get anything on the account, just to say that we've, you know, traded it. This is like the best setup, so we're just going to enter this. So this is what we're looking at for the UJ sell, and we're just basically expecting it to sell to the downside, really, to make a little £12 profit. There's nothing really else that interested me, so I just felt like selling here would probably be the best opportunity. Just so, as I said, we have some sort of trade for NFP, right? Didn't want to make it a boring video where we had no trade, so I thought we'll sell UJ. We'll see if we can get pushed to the downside, and at least then we've got some sort of gambling fix for you guys. Now, obviously, this is obviously a very small account, so it doesn't really matter. This is just a bit of fun, as I said, to entertain the masses, trade some NFP, and see if we get any sort of profit or anything like that. Now, obviously, if this starts, you know, pushing all the way to the upside, I'm not going to entertain it, but in terms of the NFP setups, this kind of seemed the best fit, shall we say. So we're going to see, obviously, if that is the case. So yeah, I mean, could it sell all the way down to here? Absolutely, but do I think it's going to move 62 pips in the rest of New York session? Probably not. So we're just going to put it around this low here for a little £12 profit, and then go on with our day, or, you know, take a loss. There is very little volume. I'm kind of hoping that New York session's going to push some volume in. That's kind of what we're hoping for. But let's see, you know, let's see. So what I'll do is I'll come back once this trade has done something or moved somewhere, and we can go from there. Houston, we have a problem. We are being margin called. This is not good. Guys, don't do this to yourself, man. It's really sad. It's really sad. How am I going to eat? How am I going to eat? £20. Knew I should have gone to the casino instead. Should have gone to the casino instead, man. If anyone wants to donate, just like I have to the markets, then feel free, because you're gonna need it, man. You know, the one thing you never want to see in your trading is this big red bar at the bottom here. That means you've done something very wrong. You've made a whoopsie, shall we say. And yeah, that's happened to me. I've made a whoopsie. Well, I will get back to you when this trade is done. All right, boys, I tried my best, okay? But as you can see, it's like watching paint dry. This volume is so bad. There is nothing going on in the market, and I cannot be asked to sit here for probably hours waiting for it to even get remotely close to my TP. So I tried my best to live trade it today, but because it's Good Friday, there's just no volume. So I apologize for that, but either way, I hope you enjoyed the video. We didn't make a loss, we just got out break even, basically. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.